Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will start my speech at 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Haidar Jalu Winarso. I am one of the students of SMA Negeri 1 Talun. So, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot close the fact that digital literacy is one of the biggest things that happen in social media nowadays. As we know, ladies and gentlemen, who's not using social media, who's not using news from social media to check their literature every day? Who's here not try to search news in their phone every day? So we cannot lie that every time we open the social media, it's actually we getting the news and we never actually second check the news itself. So, ladies and gentlemen, the government team said that literature contribute to the use of internet positively, but we, as the negative team, would disagree. So, ladies and gentlemen, the government team is claiming that social media is helping to spreading news more accurately and positively. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will explain to you why this claim was not justifiable and this also did not bring good. So, firstly, the social media, they bring the news from social media is actually not justifiable because the news here can easily get manipulated, ladies and gentlemen. So, what I'm trying to say is, it's not the news itself, it's not the media social itself that is not good, but the way people can easily manipulate the news throughout social media is actually why these things is not as justifiable. And the second one is whether this claim is bring good or not. Ladies and gentlemen, so the news itself again, when we are trying to literate from the media social, it actually has a lot of good things which we can make ourselves more updated to the new world. But it also has a lot of negativity. It can easily get to spread a hoax by a video or the article, and nowadays especially we have AI technology to make it fake video to prove the article was right. Is more likely brings negative sides, especially to the elderly people that can easily get tricked by some news from the fake AI video. So, ladies and gentlemen, the claim from the government team, which is the social media can help the news spread across positively, we would disagree, because my claim as the third speaker here is not that the media social itself did not bring good to the literacy, but the way people itself using it. Now, what I'm trying to say is to bring the good of our using to the social media to use our literacy. So, ladies and gentlemen, instead of straight up trust the words from the social media, we can analyze that first. We can second check that news before we continue the news to another people, because that is one of the most dangerous part of having this literacy contribute to of the using internet. So, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of my speech is that I want to make sure that we use and properly use the social media for literacy correctly. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.